Another tradition synonymous with Sri Lanka is tea. And here at the Handunugoda estate is the rarest of all. With the world's highest amounts of antioxidants, virgin white tea goes through an incredible process before it gets to the consumer.
Despite having been on the plantations for 50 years, I had not heard of white tea. This was originally conceptualized in Imperial China.
Okay.
It's a bit of an extravagant story. And you are allowed to laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you.
Because I laughed at the guy who told me the story.
Okay.
So that's par for the course.
Right.
But the Chinese mandarins at that time are said to have employed virgins to cut the white tea with golden scissors. It is said to have fallen into a golden bowl. And it was given as a tribute to the emperor. And the story is that the only part of the human anatomy that touched the tea were the lips of the emperor.
Right.
You know, however unlikely it may seem, my colleagues are dotted all over the world, including Australia.
Okay.
And if I suddenly started looking for immaculate girls with golden scissors, you know, they may have thought I had bats in the belfry, you know. We happened to go to Grasse in France.
Okay.
And there, quite by accident, we met a very old man. And while I was talking to him, he said, sweat and human oils are a manifestation of your food habits. You exude what you consume.
Okay.
And inevitably, you leave a trace of that in whatever you touch.
Yes.
The moment he told me that, it gave me the logic I was looking for. That they wanted to give the emperor the most uncontaminated tea in the world.
Tea in the world, yeah.
We sacrifice quantity for quality. What we endeavor to do is to give the visitor an understanding of the tea industry, where they go back with a greater respect for tea. So once they see that, I mean, they begin to then realize that it's a time-consuming process and that there is a lot of care and attention that is necessary to make a good tea.